How to boost your Snapchat score fastest. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Snapchat application first and get logged into your Snapchat account. Now let's go ahead and tap on the chat icon from your bottom left. Now in order to boost your Snapchat score, you have to continuously send snaps to your friends. To do that, let's create a shortcut. Tap on three-dot icon, then tap on new shortcut. Select all of your friends, then give it any emoji that you would like under choose emoji. Now as the shortcut has been created and you can see them on your top corner. Now let's go ahead and take a snap. Now tap on send to and tap onto the shortcut that you created. Tap on select all and then tap on send. Just like so, repeat the process and this will rapidly increase your Snapchat score. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.